Okay, so on this episode of What the Hell's He Doing Today, I'm making pot brownies. Check it out. You'll feel no pain with sweet baked Mary Jane. Oh boy. But first, look at my commercial stove, gas stove. Isn't it a beauty? Wow. Check it out. Here's the Mary Jane. Here's something important you need to do. I was taught this from an Indian out in Colorado. Take your cast iron, little grapeseed oil, get it warm, put your pot in there, and it's all ground up. Now the reason why you do this is because there's little hairs on the marijuana. You got to burn them off for them to digest properly, and you'll get higher quicker, and it makes it more potent. A lot of people don't do this. They just throw the marijuana in to the mix and that's it. But this batch here, 50-50 from the what I've grown here in Haneyville and New York, grown by the Indians. Now you got to keep agitating this and stirring it up until it turns brown and the oil turns green. There, done. Just want to get it a little brown. Take that green out of it. Preheat the oven to 350 and put in your brownies. 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, 35 minutes is up. Woo! Oh yeah. Done. That's money, dude. Man can cook.